Hey there, have you heard about YouTube Shorts? It's the latest addition to the YouTube platform, and it's all about short-form video content that's quick, fun, and easy to create. So, what exactly are YouTube Shorts? Well, they're vertical videos that are 60 seconds or less in length. They can include music, filters, text overlays, and other features to make them more engaging and entertaining. And because they're designed to be easily discoverable and shareable, they can help you grow your channel and connect with a wider audience. The Shorts tab is where you'll find all the latest and greatest shorts from creators all over the world. There are tons of different topics and categories to explore, from DIY and how-to videos to fashion and beauty, comedy and entertainment, travel and adventure, food and cooking, health and wellness, and even technology and gadgets. So, how do you create your own YouTube Shorts video? It's easy. Just open the YouTube app on your smartphone, tap on the plus icon, and select Create a Short. From there, you can film your video, add music and other features, and share it with your followers and fans. And because shorts are so easy to create and share, they're a great way to experiment with new content ideas and grow your channel on the platform. Plus, YouTube is actively promoting shorts on the platform and offering various incentives to content creators to encourage them to create more shorts. So, if you're looking to grow your channel and reach a wider audience, shorts are definitely worth checking out. And that's a quick rundown of what YouTube Shorts are all about. So why not give it a try and see how shorts can help you grow your channel and connect with your audience in a whole new way. Thanks for watching.